Be a Reading Expert. Story by Lindsay Custer. This is Reading Expert Roy. He reads everything in sight. He loves to read every morning, afternoon, and night. Roy's a reading expert because he reads words that are all around. He likes to look for big and little words that he sees all over town. He reads restaurant menus, road maps, and signs on doors. He even reads the ingredients on food labels at grocery stores. When Roy comes across a word he doesn't know, he never gives up or pouts. Instead, he looks closely at the word and tries to sound it out. Roy never rushes through books because he knows reading is not a race. Instead, he reads at a smooth and steady pace. When Roy goes to the library, he knows just right books are what he needs, so he chooses ones that are not too hard or too easy to read. Roy loves reading books that take him to places he's never been before, like to the Wild West and the deep ocean floor. Now Roy hopes to inspire you to love books and become a reading expert too. All you have to do is find a cozy corner or nook. Then go on an adventure with your favorite